In a happy little home lived a family filled with love.
Today, something very important was about to disappear.
This is the story of a little teddy bear and a family's big love. Breakfast is ready.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Be careful, my little prince. Teddy! Soon it was time for a nap.
Teddy? Teddy gone! Teddy? Where are you? Teddy!
Don't worry. We will find Teddy.
What happened?
Teddy is missing.
Teddy? Teddy?
Search began.
I miss Teddy.
It's okay, sweetheart. You know what makes Teddy special? Inside your heart.
Let's find Teddy together.
Where could Teddy be?
But Teddy was nowhere to be found.
Wait! I remember something. Saw Teddy in the backyard.
You did! Oh my goodness, where is he? Everyone rushed outside.
Found him.
Look! Footprints!
The mystery was about to be solved.
Teddy! I found Teddy.
Teddy! Made a special gift.
You are the best, Mama.
I love you too.
He looks handsome.
Teddy looks handsome.
Night, everyone felt happy.
Good night, Teddy.
Sweet dreams.
When families help each other, every problem becomes smaller.